This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hi students! Today we're going to solve problems about time zones. The mainland United States is divided into 4 time zones: the Pacific Time Zone, Mountain Time Zone, Central Time Zone, and Eastern Time Zone. Why are there different time zones? As Earth rotates, different parts of the world get sunlight at different times. We usually think of noon as the time when the sun is directly overhead. Noon comes at different moments depending on where you live. Having time zones helps to match up the sunlight with a clock during daytime hours. Each time you move from one time zone to the next, the clock shifts by 1 hour. Now, let's say it is 8 a.m. in California. That means it is also 8 a.m. everywhere in the Pacific Time Zone, since California falls in the Pacific Time Zone. At the same moment in Colorado, it is 9 a.m. because Colorado is in the Mountain Time Zone. All locations in the Mountain Time Zone are 1 hour ahead of the Pacific Time Zone. And at that exact moment in Minnesota, in the Central Time Zone, it is 10 a.m. That means the Central Time Zone is 1 hour ahead of the Mountain Time Zone and 2 hours ahead of the Pacific Time Zone. What about the Eastern Time Zone? At 8 a.m. in California, it is 11 a.m. in New York. That's right, the Eastern Time Zone is 3 hours ahead of the Pacific Time Zone. Pretty cool, right? So, as you travel east, each time zone is 1 hour ahead of the time zone before it, and as you travel west, each time zone is 1 hour behind the time zone before it. You might have noticed that 2 states are missing from this time zone map: Alaska and Hawaii. Alaska is in a separate time zone, and Hawaii has its own time zone too. Starting in the Pacific Time Zone, we'd have to travel west 1 time zone to get to Alaska, and even further west to get to Hawaii, so both of these states are in time zones that are behind the Pacific Time Zone. Now, let's use this information to solve some problems. If it is 9 p.m. in the Central Time Zone, what time is it in the Mountain Time Zone? Well, we see that the Mountain Time Zone is 1 time zone to the west of the Central Time Zone, so it is 1 hour behind the Central Time Zone. If we subtract 1 hour from 9 p.m., that's 8 p.m. So 9 p.m. in the Central Time Zone is 8 p.m. in the Mountain Time Zone. Let's try another one. If it is 11 a.m. in the Pacific Time Zone, what time is it in the Central Time Zone? First, let's compare these 2 time zones on the map. The Pacific Time Zone is the furthest to the west, and the Central Time Zone is 2 time zones to the east. That means that the Central Time Zone is 2 hours ahead of the Pacific Time Zone. 2 hours later than 11 is 1. 1 a.m. or p.m.? That's right, p.m. After 11 a.m., the next hour is 12 p.m. or noon, followed by 1 p.m. So 11 a.m. Pacific Time is 1 p.m. Central Time. Let's keep going. If it is 6:42 a.m. in North Carolina, what time is it in Oregon? If we check the map, we can see that North Carolina is in the Eastern Time Zone and Oregon is in the Pacific Time Zone. The Pacific Time Zone is 3 hours behind the Eastern Time Zone. What time is 3 hours before 6:42 a.m.? 3:42 a.m. So 6:42 a.m. in North Carolina is 3:42 a.m. in Oregon. That means students in North Carolina might be waking up at the same time that students in Oregon are sleeping. Neat. Here is our last problem. A plane leaves Montana at 3:32 p.m. It flies for 5 hours, 30 minutes, and lands in Florida. What time is it in Florida when the plane lands? Looking at the map, we can see that the plane is flying from Montana in the Mountain Time Zone to Florida in the Eastern Time Zone. The plane leaves the Mountain Time Zone at 3:32 p.m. and flies for 5 hours and 30 minutes. Let's adjust the clock for the length of the flight first, and then we'll adjust for the time zone after that. So 5 hours and 30 minutes later than 3:32 p.m. is 9:02 p.m., which means the plane lands at 9:02 p.m. Mountain Time. But what time did the plane arrive in Eastern Time? Since Eastern Time is 2 hours ahead of Mountain Time, we need to add 2 hours to the arrival time. 9:02 p.m. plus 2 hours is 11:02 p.m. So, in Florida, the plane arrived at 11:02 p.m. Putting all this together, the plane left Montana at 3:32 p.m. Mountain Time and arrived in Florida at 11:02 p.m. Eastern Time. So that's our answer. The plane lands at 11:02 p.m. in Florida. Now you're ready to try some on your own. Good luck!
Head over to IXL.com to check out this video and thousands more in math and language arts.